boys and girls. Today is Friday, September 4th, and we are on Lesson 9 in English Language Arts. We are moving on today from the story My Brother Charlie to a new story called Help, a Story of Friendship. And you'll see that right here. After this video, I will post a video of myself reading the story aloud to you for you to watch. But first, we need to talk about the story a little bit. I want you in your minds right now to think about a time you have maybe used mean words with a friend or left someone out. I want you in a moment to go to the discussion that you see in my screen and explain what happened. How did you accidentally say something that was hurtful to someone else or leave someone out of what you were doing? Oftentimes we do this and we don't even realize we have hurt someone's feelings. So talk about a time when you either used mean words with a friend or left someone out. Explain what happened. But then talk about how you tried to make the situation better after you realized you'd hurt someone's feelings or left them out. Did you go up to that person and say you were sorry? Did you then include them in the game? Did you apologize for what kinds of words you might have said to them? Maybe you were mad or frustrated and you didn't mean to take those feelings out on your friend. So first explain the situation and then talk about how you made the situation better. So that's going to be in this discussion right here. So after you watch this video, you'll go to the discussion. And remember, you have to post first before you see someone else's post. So if you see no one else posting, it's because you haven't posted yet. So you're going to go to New Post, and you can title it whatever you want. You can title it My Friend. You can title it A Time I Hurt Someone's Feelings. Give it some kind of title, and then come down here and explain how you might have hurt someone's feelings. And I can give you a quick example. I could say, one time I was playing with my friend Sarah. Alex came over to us and asked to play. We told him only girls can play this game. He looked sad. I quickly said sorry and told him he could play with us. Okay, so this is a quick little story. It explains the situation. I was playing with my friend Sarah. Alex came over to us and asked to play. We told him only girls can play this game. He looked sad. I quickly said sorry and told him he could play with us. So that's the type of response I am looking for. Okay, so post your own story about a time you might have accidentally said mean words to a friend or hurt their feelings, and talk about what you did to make it better.